trust me. You already know. Don't let me not know. Thinking about me all night. I wish you would come home. But I'm just trying to balance my space. I'm just trying to take my space. Cause we're way too in love just to fucking let go. Cause we're way too in love just to cut and not go. Way too in deep, babe. Way too in deep. Oh, no. We can't even let it go.
Hi guys, so I'm finally back with another video, and today's video is going to be a braid out tutorial. Right now my hair is super dry and it has a lot of lint, so I'm just going to be brushing out my locks, making sure that there's no lint on the ends of my locks. So right here, I'm just showing you guys what my locks look like. I absolutely love them, guys. The color is so gorgeous. And right now, I'm just showing you guys my little baby lock that is growing. I did mention this in my previous video, so make sure you guys check in the description box. And I have a total of 6 locks that are like this. Right here, I'm just going to be sectioning off my locks. And I'm going to be starting off with the back portion and then making my way up to the top. So I'll be using these 3 products for my braid out today. I normally like to use foam mousse, but I didn't have that on hand. So I'm just using water, rose water, and then my oil mixture. Just going to be coating my hair with those products to make sure that my locks are well moisturized, and then I'm going to start off by braiding my hair and then tying it with a rubber band. And I almost forgot to mention, guys, I do twist my roots just to make sure that my locks are neat, but you honestly do not have to do this. Felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. It like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. You my heart is before this can't be the first time. Get with me, stop it. I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. So right here, I am going to be twisting the roots, and then I'm going to be doing a 4 braid. I'm only doing this because my locks are not all even. And basically how I do it is I start off by braiding my locks, and then with the other lock that is left, I incorporate that lock into the 3 braids, and I just start by braiding. It's really hard to explain that, but that's the best way I can explain it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. And now I'm just going to repeat the steps once more. I basically add the oil and the water and the rose water to my locks, and then I rub it all in, and then I start by twisting the roots of my locks, and then I do my forebraid. Again, I start by braiding my locks at the base, and then I incorporate that one lock into the braid.
That nigga confidence got me too excited. Yeah. You play me. You my heart for this can't be your first time. We my heart for this still fresh in my mind. Can't find some things that I mean that I gotta share somebody but love for the bonfire. You my heart for this can't be your first time. Looking for some things that I think that I can find. Oh babe, oh babe, oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just say it. Alright, oh yeah, oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it. I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Oh babe, yes I'm hurt, yes I'm jaded. Why is this so funny? Most of the things I don't wanna say. Just say it, alright. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always wanted to.
So I'm just wrapping my locks, and I did leave these braids in overnight.
Wanna get with me, stop. Y'all on this side, y'all over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck.
So it is the next day, guys, and I am just spraying my locks with rose water, and then I'm just going to be taking out all of the rubber bands and taking out the braids.
Yeah. You play me. You my heart for this can't be your first time. We my heart for this still fresh in my mind. Can't find some things that I mean that I gotta share somebody but love for the bonfire. You my heart for this can't be your first time. Looking for some things that I think that I can find. Oh babe, oh babe, oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so funny? Oh yeah, just say it, alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You wanna get with me, stop it. I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Oh babe, Yes, I'm dirty, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad.
So that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I absolutely love the results that I got. Usually when I do braid outs on my locks, it lasts for about, I want to say 3 weeks, but I absolutely love it. My roots look so good, as you guys can see. My roots look so good. But that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I definitely did. I really did not think the curls was gonna be this defined, but I absolutely love it. My locks look so good. And even though I have some short locks that the lock extension slipped out of a while ago, it still just blends in and it kind of gives me some volume. So absolutely love the curls. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.